Yesterday and today I've done the intensive self-development workshop. It's been great. It's actually taken me way out of my comfort zone, which is really good for me because I'm an in my shell girl, and it has made me meet other people and sort of explore my environment in a way that I'm not really used for, and it's been really insightful.
So I want to overcome that fear of public speaking and leadership skills. That's why I came to this workshop, and it has really helped me. It was great. This was a new type of workshop, the movement thing and all, and it has really helped me to connect with everyone and network with new people. I would like to encourage everyone to join these types of workshops to learn about themselves and to connect with people, develop their self.
This intensive workshop really helps individuals in focusing on their growth and then meeting new people. You talk to them, you move with them, you build that rapport with each other. It's such a beautiful experience that you need to go through, and it was such a new, fresh feeling for me, and I loved it. It was amazing.